next speaker is going to be Ector. He is from legally armed in Detroit. And
He says that's all he's got. That's good enough. Okay, before I get started, I just want to say that today is a great day. It is a great day because we are here together. We are together supporting our right to keep and bear arms. It is a great day because we are alive. It's also a great day for a good friend of mine, a good friend of yours, a guy that you all just listen to. It is his birthday today. I want you all to recognize and stand up and acknowledge our celebration of your birthday. We are all going to come together and we're going to sing happy birthday to this guy, right? Now, I can't sing, but you know what?
as a dad, I actually throw in one thing. Today is my daughter Maddie's birthday.
Oh, Maddie and Terry. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Terry and Maddie. Happy birthday to you. Give them a hand. I don't know what he's doing, but he looks like he's in great shape though to be 63 years old today. Give him a hand. It is so good to be here today to see you all in support of our rights and in support of our freedoms. As a gun rights advocate, I spent a lot of time addressing a lot of individuals such as yourselves in groups. One very huge issue and concern that I have truly as a gun rights advocate, as a firearms instructor, is for the protection and the safeguarding of women. We are in the state of Michigan. And if you look at our statistics, our crime stats here in the state of Michigan, they are improving. The stats in the city of Detroit, they are not so good. When you drill down into the stats such as assaults, when you drill down and look at stats on murder and armed robbery, it seems as though they're making some small, incremental progress in the correct direction. However, there is one category that has been extremely dismal and poor performing historically in the city of Detroit for a very long period of time. I'm talking about the crime of rape and sexual assaults. It is an epidemic here in Metro Detroit. It is an absolute shame that our women cannot live their lives and function and carry out their day-to-day activities and not be concerned with being rape victims. You know, it was a day, approximately 10 years ago, I was watching my local newscast and I saw a very disturbing story. And in this story, it was a story about a body. It was a story about a woman's body that had been violently attacked. It was assaulted. It was raped and discarded. Yes, I'm telling you, the woman was killed and her body was left lying in the street as if it was trash. And I thought, my God, that is probably among the most heinous crimes that could ever occur. You know what? Someone should do something about it. Someone should do something. And so as I talked about this crime with a lot of individuals, and we came together and an idea formed. The idea formed that we would train women how to protect themselves, yes, with firearms. I'm not talking about pepper spray. I'm not talking about the time. And I'm we went to a gun range. And we had a most enterprising idea. We said, look, here's a very noble program, we believe. What we want to do is to train women against this scourge of rape that is occurring in our community. Please allow us, free of charge, to use your gun range. We have this noble cause. We want to train women with guns. We want to train women how to shoot and how to defend themselves. And by the way, who knows? Maybe one of them has the money and the will to buy a gun, buy firearms, buy ammunition. Maybe she'll love to come back to this very gun range where she had this free training and patronize your shop and shop here often. Well, you know, the day of the event came by. It was 9 years ago, and I was really nervous. I was nervous for the fact that I wanted this event to be very successful. I wanted to have a ton of women at this event. Now, granted, there wasn't a lot of time. Granted, you know, I hadn't had any relative skill and prowess in social media. So I eventually was able to convince 50 women to come to a gun range and learn how to shoot. We were able to do that for them at zero cost. So I was encouraged that we had 50 women. So I talked to a very good friend of mine. You may have heard of him. If you have not, keep an eye out for him. His name is Ken Blanchard. He runs a little website out of Arbor, Maryland called blackmanswithagun.com. And I talked to Ken, and Ken encouraged me. He said, man, what are you talking about? 50 is good. The message he had for me was, look, keep going. See where this thing leads. See where it goes. So undaunted, I press forward and I continue to bribe, to convince, to cajole, sweet talk, whatever I can do to get women to attend. And you know what? Like troopers, the women responded favorably. That very next year, we trained 100 women. And then it became 200. And then 400. And then that event. You know what? We got too big for that event. So we started moving the gun range to this range. We moved the event to Top Gun in Taylor. Give Top Gun a hand. We went from 400, 500, 600, 700. Last year, we trained 814 women to take on a more active role. Undaunted, our work is not done. Our goal for this year is an unprecedented, never heard before, never attempted before. However, I got some gang supporters and they all tell me, they say, Rick, we can do this. We are going to train at least 1,000 women how to shoot a gun in one day. We're going to make that happen here. And this gun range on May 17th. Now the thing is, I can't just have women converging on this place. We have to order it. We have to have some organization to it. We have to measure it out. We have to pace ourselves. So yes, as before, there's going to be a registration process. The registration will open exactly a week before the event. Registration opens on May 10th at noon. Registration opens up at noon on May 10th. We only have the registration run for 7 days because we don't want people to sign up and then back out and no-show. This event is too important for the safeguarding of our women. The event will happen here at this gun range, Top Gun, on May 17th. We will run, train, educate, empower, and send women on to this gun range and hopefully hopefully, a good sizable percentage of them will patronize this range and will buy and purchase firearms. Hopefully they'll look for this range in terms of training. Because I tell you what, just looking at all of you all here today at the great facility here of Top Gun that opened up their business, they brought us here for a day of culture, for a day of education, a day of empowering us with education. I want y'all to give Top Gun a hand for this event. As I stated, don't forget, we're going to train 1,000 women how to shoot at this gun range on May 17th. Registration opens up on May 10th. You're like, gee, Rick, you haven't given us the magic URL, the magic word. How do they sign up? They're going to go to this social media site. You probably have heard of it. It's called Facebook. Go to Facebook. You're going to look for my business page. It is Rick's Firearm Academy of Detroit. There will be registration links that will open up at 12 noon. The reason why we do this program is because it is so important, it is so needed. We need to train 1,000 women how to shoot, load, operate a firearm in one day because 866 women raped in the city of Detroit is unacceptable. It is. It's unacceptable. So with that, I want to thank you all for having me and receiving me. Tell all the women in your life that you love them. Tell them that you want them protected. Your daughters, your mothers, your aunts, your grandmas, even the woman that lives down the street, the kooky lady with the cat. Tell them all to go to that website, Rick's Firearm Academy Detroit, on May 10th to register for the event here on May 17th. With that, thank you all very much for having me.